The single easiest way to improve your sleep as an insomniac is not expensive therapies, supplements, or lying in bed for hours trying to force yourself to sleep. This is the method I use to fall into deep sleep 20 minutes after getting into bed. As a former insomniac, after I fixed this, I've been able to wake up feeling happy and having the energy to work and achieve all of my goals. So what is the single easiest way to improve your sleep as an insomniac? The advice I would give most people would be focus on lowering your resting heart rate before bed. If your heart rate is high, you'll feel anxious, toss and turn all night, and start to feel like your bed is your enemy. But when you lower your resting heart rate before bed, you'll be able to fall asleep like a baby, reliably, and as soon as your head hits the pillow. Here's a few ways to lower your resting heart rate before bed. Number 1, no screens 1 hour before bed ideally. So no playing exciting video games or getting rage baited on social media. Number 2, stay still. Movement is one of the easiest ways to raise your heart rate. And what I see a lot of people do, especially if they're insomniacs or a dolphin chronotype, is they get a huge surge of energy at night and suddenly start organizing the room, vacuuming, doing the dishes. But your number 1 goal at night should be to lower your heart rate as much as possible. And you achieve that by walking slowly, sitting on a comfy couch, or reading a book. Number 3, do breathing exercises to lower your resting heart rate. One simple strategy is the physiological sigh. So this is how you do it. You inhale through your nose, take a second short inhale to fully fill your lungs, then slowly exhale. So it would look like this. And as you can see from my voice, I did it and it calmed me down. This is because the long exhale activates the parasympathetic nervous system and signals to your body to relax and thus lower your heart rate. There are other lifestyle changes you can do to lower your heart rate before bed, like going to sleep and waking up consistently at the same time every night to align your circadian rhythm, or eating your last meal at least 4 hours before bed. Because the closer your last meal is to your bedtime, the higher your heart rate will spike through the night. Even doing vigorous exercise earlier in the day, because the closer you exercise to your bedtime, the higher your resting heart rate will be. But trust me, when your heart slows down at night, it signals to your body it's safe and it can fall asleep. It's one of the methods I do that helps me fall asleep every night in less than 15 minutes and recover through the night. I hope you found this useful. Definitely try it out. If you want to see more of this type of content, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to work with me to fix your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed every day, then book a call from the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.